This is our first position, in which case our palms are faced inwards and our arms are curved down. This is our demi-secant position, in which case our palms are still faced inwards, but we're not fully lifted to second position yet. Now we lift to second, in which case our palms face our audience. This is our third position, in which case our arm is partially curved on one side and the other one is rounded and opened out a little bit. There are two fourth positions. This is en avant, in which case we are holding our arm forward. This is our high fourth position. There are three different types of fifth positions. So this is our low fifth, in which case our fingers are just a few inches apart. We have fifth position, in which case our fingers are in front of our ribs. And finally, we have our high fifth position, in which case, again, our arms are curved over our head.